Hey guys, welcome back to
Broke People's Guide.
Family Broke People.
Today I'm going to be showing you how I paint my nails because I don't ever go get my nails done. I just always do them myself. And I know that a lot of people have trouble doing it themselves because of like having to use your left hand or whatever. I always try to have a really good nail polish that only requires one coat. Pure ice. It's called Flirt Alert. The nail polish usually lasts almost a week. If you're washing a lot of dishes, then it's only gonna last a couple of days. When you do your nails, do everything except your thumbs. Leave your thumbs for last. I always start with doing my right hand because using my left hand is hard. Let me do it like this so you can see. I try to push down and all the way to the edge and do it all around. There we go. But don't mind my ugly hands.
You have ugly hands.
Eli.
No, you don't. No, you don't. Your nail polish is this.
Aw. Eli's the sweetest, even though he just told me my hands were ugly. But then he came and said, no, they're not.
You're pretty.
Aw, Eli loves me so much. Yeah, no cleanup required. When I get to the bigger nails, I try to put more polish on my thingy. Like that much. I don't even know if I'm gonna post this video because I really hate my fingers. My hands are very bony.
No, they're not. They're cute.
Oh, Eli. I'm gonna leave the thumb out, and the pinky one is actually dry already. This part is gonna be much faster because now I'm using my right hand. So I'm pushing all the way back to the end, and then all the way to the starting point. Start here and then push back. Push back.
What is brand?
Brand is the name of
People that make
like
the nail polish?
the people that make it. Yep. Eli's like bouncing around all over the house.
No, I'm not.
Looking good so far.
I'm playing football on my team.
Eli's at football practice.
Mm-hmm.
So now we got this one left, and then we're gonna go to the thumb.
Not dead. What?
Try to get as much nail polish on here as possible so I won't have to dip. I don't know why I always try to not have to dip back in the nail polish. It's like the ultimate goal. Yes, I did it. This nail is much shorter.
Mommy, it's just that it's because it looks like I'm picking it back, but I'm not trying to. But I'm sorry that I was going to hit you.
It's okay. Thank you for saying sorry.
I'm saying sorry on the camera.
Yeah, everyone's gonna hear you saying sorry. My nails are done. That's it, guys. We did it. I didn't have to do much.
But she messed up.
I messed up a little
see?
bit on one thumb, but I fixed it kind of. So look, Eli's so funny.
No, you're funny.
Okay, guys. See you next time.
See you next time, dudes. After watching this video, you see the background is the TV. Can you see that?
Ooh, my eyes are so pretty.
It was less than 100 minutes.
I hope it doesn't take anyone 100 minutes to do their nails. Bye.